Hey everyone, how's it going? So before this video gets started, if you want to save money on gas, if you're still paying full price for gas and you feel like you're still spending too much money on gas, there's a way to get 15 cents off per gallon if you use my code and link in the description down below for an app called Get Upside. Again, if you use my special promo code, you'll get 15 cents off per gallon. All of my friends use it, all of us use it. It's a new app. And I honestly can't believe that more people aren't using it. So if you haven't started yet using it, or at least try it out once and get 15 cents off per gallon. And then for life, you'll get discounts on your gas. And if you can refer a couple of your friends to use your code and link too, you can get up to 99 cents off per gallon, even more. It's crazy. You'll never have to pay full price for gas again. Use the link in the description down below for Get Upside. All right, now let's get on to the video. Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan. So yeah, I have not been posting on this channel it's been about a week, but which is a long time for me because usually I post every single day, which is crazy, I know, but usually what I do is I film a few videos, you know, every couple days and then upload them every day. But I don't know, I just really need a break. There's a lot going on in the world, obviously. I'm sure you are experiencing some very crazy emotions right now. You and your family or your friends or by yourself or whatever it might be. I am here with you. We're all in solidarity together. So Lyft actually during this time launched this thing that I haven't seen actually I don't think I've ever seen this, but essentially they're giving out bonuses to drivers because a lot of drivers don't want to go out and drive right now. And there are people who are requesting rides. You know, restaurants are open. At least in my town, you can go sit down and have dinner again. No questions asked. So I'm just going to sync up my phone here and show you guys. This is from my Facebook group. Alan Chris Rodriguesa says to Uber, a Lyft drivers Facebook group. I haven't driven Lyft since the pandemic started and when decided to drive again, curfew came along. So what's Lyft doing? Amidst the curfews, they're launching bonuses to drivers who go out and drive. Look at this, guys. 500 bucks bonus for 75 rides in a week. So if you do that in a week, 75 rides, that's around 11 rides per day. If you do it every day, 12 rides, 13 rides if you only, you know, take a day off or whatever. That's a lot. That's honestly, I mean, 10, 11 rides a day. If you're doing it full time, I mean, that's not that bad, but if you're doing it part time, yeah, 75 rides can be a lot. Sean Yen goes, why you still got the bonus goal? I know, I just found it when I opened it up yesterday. TBH, it's really easy to get 75 rides, but I don't know in this situation. The Anthony Mim says, congrats. He said, I'm scared to go back. What was the end of your week total? I stopped driving since the pandemic on March until now. That bonus though, we need this again here in Indianapolis. If they gave that early before the COVID, so if basically what I'm trying to say is where do you drive? So look at this. Here, where do you get the 500 bucks bonus? This person said I do about 100 to 115 rides a week, and they have an app in Chicago or the surrounding suburbs blank all year. Be safe out there when the curfew is over. Go get that money, bro. I don't know. I haven't driven for a while. Maybe a bonus to make me come back again. True, that makes sense. I see a lot of bonuses from the group. I haven't seen one forever, LOL. Get every dollar you can, bro. Be safe out there. Thanks, man. I'll try. But for now, I'm using my other backup gig like Grow Home Postmates. Honestly, guys, 500 bucks for 75 rides. I mean, that's an extra $6.66 per ride. So if you go out and do 3 rides, that's already, what, 20 bucks? Yeah, that's 20 bucks. 3 rides, an extra 20 bucks. So every single time you do 3 rides, it's like someone's handing you a $20 bill. That's pretty good to me. So anyways, I just wanted to, yeah, I don't know where they are doing this, but it seems to be that they're doing it in places where, you know, I'm assuming cities where restaurants are back up and they need more drivers. So thank you for watching. This is the bonus. Use the link down in the description down below to check out Get Upside and all that good stuff. All right, I'll talk to y'all soon. Get Upside's the gas discount app. 15 cents off per gallon of gas. Use the link in the description down below. Thank you. All right, bye.